Hello, hello. So today, our foundational principle is circadian rhythm. This may be the most important one for us to talk about, all right? So, the stress response isn't just about how many stressors we take on, it's also about when and how our body restores itself. So, we have these wonderful natural rhythms that are dictated by the cycles of the sun and play a key role in how we handle stress. So, one of the biggest regulators of stress recovery is our circadian rhythm, the natural cycle of day and night. Today, we're going to explore how understanding this rhythm can help us shift from stress to renewal and resilience. We have day. Daytime is our stress activation phase. Again, this is a natural response. Our body should go into the stress response when stressors come our way so that things are happening in our body and our biology to help with energy production and utilization. Sunlight fuels our energy. Our bodies are powered by sunlight energy. When natural daylight enters our eyes, it signals the brain and body to wake up, to energize, and to function optimally. There's all these wonderful pathways that sunlight help to open up and start so their body is doing what it's supposed to do during the day. This also includes setting our circadian rhythm and helping regulate hormones like cortisol that we think of as our stress hormone, and it is, but it's also our natural get up and go hormone. So if you're having a hard time get up and going in the morning, we want to make sure that we're syncing with this. So here are some signs that you're out of sync, that your daytime stress is dysfunctional, all right? Fatigue even after a full night's sleep. If you have slept 7 to 9 hours, you should not be waking up tired. This is a sign your circadian rhythm is out of sync. Reliance on caffeine to stay alert. No, your body does not need a stimulant to stay awake if our circadian rhythm is in sync. Brain fog or difficulty concentrating. This is another sign that it is out of sync. Feeling more stressed in the morning than at night. When we first wake up in the morning, we should not be getting into a stress response right then and there. It should be a slow, steady response. And then there's the seasonal affective disorder, the SAD disorder, or low mood in winter. And this often is because we're not getting the sunlight that we get during the spring and the summer and even in the fall. And so this again is a response that our circadian rhythm is out of sync. So here are some action steps to restore balance. Get outside in the morning light within an hour of waking. This helps anchor your circadian rhythm. If it's too cold out, open up a window so that sunlight can come in. Even if it's cloudy outside, let your eyes be open to that because that sunlight is going through the clouds, even if you're not getting the same type of feeling, maybe it's still getting in there. All right. Again, we want to remove our glasses, our contacts, sunglasses when possible to allow full spectrum light into your eyes. We don't want to look straight into the sun, but we do want to allow sunlight to be able to get into our eyes. Move your body during the day. This is where movement is important. Exercise helps sync your circadian rhythm. It says, oh, I'm supposed to use my energy now. I'm supposed to move. This is the time of day that I'm supposed to do this. You can also use essential oils like peppermint and citrus oils to help boost morning energy. And then, if you're having a hard time, especially during the winter season, trying red light therapy in winter months to help combat lack of sunlight can be very helpful. Then we have night. This is our nighttime recovery phase. We need the night to recover. All right. This is when we're going to have stress repair and rejuvenation occurring. Sleep is the ultimate stress reset. So at night, our body is supposed to switch from energy production to energy storage and repair. This is when the body is able to burn fat for fuel. This is when it releases anti-aging hormones like melatonin and DHEA, and it engages in deep tissue repair. So some signs you're out of sync and you have this nighttime stress dysfunction is if you're having difficulty falling or staying asleep, if you're waking up between 2 and 4 a.m., or you're struggling to get back to sleep if you do wake up. If you're feeling wired but tired, right? That exhausted at bedtime, but you just can't go to sleep because your brain keeps going. If you're having digestive issues in the morning due to poor overnight detoxification or even headaches, and then frequent waking to use the bathroom, all those are signs of dysfunctional circadian rhythm. So, some action steps to restore balance. Reduce blue light exposure from screens 1 to 2 hours before bed, or use blue light blockers if needed. Sleep in complete darkness to support melatonin production. If there is any light coming in, even into your skin, your body is not going to produce it the way it needs to. Use calming essential oils like lavender, cedarwood, or vetiver before bed. Use a consistent bedtime, preferably before 10 p.m., to align with melatonin release. And avoid heavy meals or sugar before bed because this will cause your blood sugar to crash at night, and that will often disrupt your sleep. So, when we are connecting that stress continuum to circadian rhythm, we need to remember that there's the two states. High stress and energy is our daytime activation mode. We need sunlight and movement to fuel our bodies. Deep rest and repair, that's our nighttime recovery mode. We need darkness, sleep, and relaxation for proper rejuvenation. When these two phases are out of balance, we experience chronic stress, poor sleep, and fatigue. Aligning with natural light and dark cycles helps shift us back into a state of resilience and renewal. I have a worksheet to help you put these action steps into effect, so check that out. And my final takeaway is your circadian rhythm is one of the most powerful foundational principles for managing stress naturally. By aligning with natural light and darkness, you help your body recover, regenerate, and build resilience so you feel less stress and you go into the stress response less. Have a great day.